let's open a LUSH PR box together, see what they sent me, and do a first impressions review. So very kindly, this was sent to me from LUSH, from their influencer program, which is called Friends of LUSH. Though I'm excited to film this video, this is not sponsored or paid for, but I do have the affiliate links down below, which helps to support this channel, which I always appreciate you guys using. It costs you nothing. Check that down below in the description and the comments. What I love about the packaging is you can put this into the sink and it will just dissolve completely, which is amazing. I believe it's made out of starch. Oh my days. Okay, so I've already tried this product and I absolutely love it. See, I've actually in the past bought this in the full size myself because I love the formulation. It's so nostalgic for those who are LUSH fans. If you're a fan of a lavender, sleepy, cozy pajama type scent, this is one for you. Oh, it's so nostalgic. What I do have to do is take a look at the formulation with you guys, because this is the most important thing when it comes to any thoughts that I have about a brand and about a product specifically. So let's go check out the Sleepy Body Lotion, which is this product. I believe this one is a 95 grams, so it's actually the second smallest. So I know this is a weird thing to relate it to, but this is an iPhone 13 Pro Max and this is my Sleepy. I don't know if that's even... This is a makeup brush and this is your Sleepy. Anyway, it's a handful, but aren't we all? Okay, so let's check it out here. It's dubbed as a soothing and relaxing lavender body lotion. It is a bestseller and I'm not surprised. So the first ingredient is oat milk, second almond oil, lavender water, lavender flower infusion, organic jojoba oil, glycerin, fair trade cocoa butter. What you need to know from this formula is, number one, the ingredient is anti-inflammatory and soothing. It also has a really nice, almost foodie scent to it. Oat, I love in formulas, especially for those with sensitive skin. Almond oil, nourishing, again, adds that kind of foodie, really nostalgic scent. Number three, lavender water. Lavender is lavender and it smells absolutely amazing. You either love it or you hate it, but I adore lavender. Then you've got the lavender flower infusion. Then you've got something hydrating, which is the jojoba oil. And what I like about jojoba is the fact that it's not too overbearing on the skin. It's really, really light when it comes to an oil. It's ultra hydrating, but it has a really nice finish, so it never feels kind of sticky or tacky. For me, it feels more like a dry oil. Glycerin is a humectant, so it's going to pull moisture and hydration from our environment, which usually in bedrooms are naturally quite high in humidity anyway. Glycerin is a great product when it comes to that. And then cocoa butter, not only is it an amazing hydrator, it also smells incredible. Yeah, great product. What I will say though, for anyone who owns a pet, especially a cat, don't apply this and then go give your cat the biggest kiss and the biggest hug. Lavender is something that is not the best tolerated when it comes to cats. So this is something I would reserve to me, myself, and I would apply it right before bed, preferably even in bed, and then just enjoy it for myself. Something I'm really passionate about is to spread awareness of the use of essential oils, fragrances, and certain ingredients when it comes to contact with our furry friends. If you would like to check out my top 5 products currently from LUSH down below in the description and the comments. So when it comes to LUSH products, what are your favorites? Sleepy is definitely one of my favorites when it comes to evening, but it's not the most versatile product to use unless you are literally obsessed with lavender and you like a bit more of a Luna Lovegood lifestyle and it's nice and chilled. I wouldn't recommend using that in the day. This is, as its name suggests, sleepy. They write it as a malty cream, and that fragrance really comes from the oats and the cocoa butter. Kind of a cereal smell to it. So we're not talking let the good times roll, but here's hoping. It has that really sort of savory, sweet fragrance, and that juxtapose, that kind of contrast is really intriguing. So this is really a beautiful fragrance and I love it. Let me know down below if there are any other products that you're liking or that you would like to see me review from LUSH. All the information will be down below in the description and the comments. And if you don't want to say goodbye just yet, I recently reviewed their Wallace & Gromit X LUSH collab with the Shaun the Sheep. And if you want to really throw it back, there's some Christmas Boxing Day Lush content that I've done in the past. So go check out my other videos on my channel. Make sure to leave a comment and a like to this video. It really helps my smaller channel grow. I will see you in the next one, and take care of yourself. Bye.